Hi, my name's Giselle Garcia, and this is my mobile deposit presentation proposal. Let's talk about mobile deposit first. Mobile deposit is a valued service provided by banks. It is also a growing mobile feature. Mobile deposit benefits both provider and customer by allowing more efficiency on both sides. It allows the customer to save time and have a convenient way to get their funds to them faster, as well as allowing the provider to be more efficient in other more complicating bank services or jobs that they might need to get done. Deposits are a basic function and necessity for a bank as well as for customers. We have a poster here and it shows how much mobile banking grows, and mobile banking overall, not just mobile deposits. So if mobile banking is growing, you would assume that mobile deposit needs and mobile deposit use is growing as well, because sometimes people will use mobile banking and not know how to use mobile deposit but need to. So they'll hold on to that mobile banking until they find a way to understand how to mobile deposit. So if you have a 6.6% growth from year to year from 2017 to 2018 of mobile banking, imagine what the growth is for something like mobile deposit. How does it even work? Mobile deposit can be complicated, especially for those who have never attempted it before. It can be difficult to simply follow through simple written instructions. So we have all gotten something new and looked at the instructions, and it's a 1, 2, and 3, 2 sentences long with vocabulary that we might not even understand. Questions aren't truly answered with simple steps sometimes, and the value really diminishes. If instead of convenience, it provides more frustrations for us than any aid. We have two pictures here, and my goal here was to provide the value of mobile banking transactions and also show the different types of screens you might be seeing through mobile banking and how it can be confusing sometimes when you do get step-by-step guides or maybe just picture-by-picture guides with no real guidance to them. You can look at the picture on your right and you can see you have different things that a mobile banking app might offer you. And to a brand new banking or mobile banking user, that might just be a little too complicated. On the left, you have a graph and it has 4 different banks and it shows the value of mobile banking. And the black graph is in January of 2014 and the red graph is in January 2015. That's a big difference from one year to another. Each bank has shown significant more growth and value of mobile banking transactions or more banking transactions than not. There's not one black graph that does not show that. And here's my proposed solution. Mobile deposit is a simple banking feature that might be useful for everybody. Not might, but I know will be useful for everybody. The thing is sometimes it is too complicated, so it is just simply overlooked. Sometimes people would rather go through the time and have a less efficient way of depositing their checks or their tuition or whatever it may be that they needed to deposit that could be deposited through mobile deposit because it is just too complicated or frustrating to do it online. I suggest a demo or tutorial of sorts that would be voiced over and would be in the point of view style. You would have the user looking at a recording of the mobile banking app or website in which the voiceover or the person who is voicing the demo would talk through every step they were taking and going through when they were going to make a mobile deposit. It would also walk through different issues one can encounter through mobile deposit. and it'll allow for a more in-depth understanding of mobile deposit. It'll allow for an explanation of how mobile deposit works, because sometimes if somebody has a first negative interaction with mobile deposit, they might never use it again. But if before they use mobile deposit, they understand how it really works, that negative interaction could be avoided or could be understood better and not stray people away from trying to use mobile deposit. Our goal would have a tutorial that would add value to mobile deposit for consumers. The outcome should be simple but informative. I'm not talking about a 20-minute video. I'm talking about a simple 3 to 5 minute video, the length it would take for somebody to actually make that mobile deposit, that would have different issues at the end of the video. If somebody watches the video, attempts mobile deposit, and is successful in it, they would no longer have the need to finish the end of the video. But if they go through the mobile deposit and they encounter an issue, they can then continue to watch the demo or tutorial and maybe get some guidance on what to do next, so they don't feel like there's nothing else they could do. So they know that there's somebody there, somebody who took the time and cared enough to give them more insight on how to use mobile deposit. The process would be, there would be roles for every different team member. Each role would be assigned different tasks. The team would get together once before beginning, once after beginning, and once for the final product review. So to get into that, the team would gather before beginning this project and they would create an outline. They would give each other tasks, they would agree on what the main concept would be, and they would agree on what they absolutely want for this demo/tutorial. And then the group then would separate and they would begin working on their different tasks by themselves. They would then meet again after, and they would allow each other to peer review their work, and they would try to start mending things together. And then they would hand it off to somebody who would blend the different efforts that are provided. And then again, once after that person is finished, so they could review the final product and decide if that's something that they're happy about putting out. The final product would be a blend of different efforts to provide a valuable tool for consumers in order to benefit both provider and consumer. And that's it for me. That's the end of my proposal, and I hope you guys are excited about it as I am.